Imagine waking up to a world where every satellite is dead. How would you navigate, communicate, or survive this first morning? If every satellite suddenly went offline for 24 hours, affecting navigation, communication, banking, and emergencies worldwide, chaos spreads instantly across technology-dependent cities globally. These satellites transmit critical signals to maintain navigation, entertainment, banking, emergency services, and global communications, demonstrating their vital role in keeping modern society operational every second. Without warning, satellites lose connection, disrupting signals globally, triggering chaos, leaving people struggling to maintain daily routine.
My map's not working!
Mine neither! What happened? No signal! This is bad!
Citizens worldwide panic as navigation fails unexpectedly. We can't coordinate!
Where is this map taking me?
The light's out, and the GPS is down?
Ugh, rerouting failed. Now what?
Okay, I have to figure this out myself.
Navigation signals are failing across the board.
This compromises safety. All flights must be grounded. Rerouted pearls are failing. We need backup systems. Initiating now. This is a full system crisis.
Instruments are stable. All green.
Roger. Monty lost GPS. Panels are dark.
Confirmed. Engage backups. I'll inform ATC.
Backups active. System stabilizing.
Navigation system is completely blank. No signal. Global monitoring systems highlight widespread failures, signaling that satellite silence is not isolated, but a major international issue affecting technology across every continent simultaneously. Satellites in orbit above Earth go dark and silent, signaling a worldwide technological crisis as communications and data networks suddenly disappear. As satellites fail, shopping mall systems collapse, causing widespread confusion, delays, highlighting society's growing dependence on real-time satellite navigation. Delivery services experience unprecedented delays as GPS and tracking apps fail, creating widespread disruption and frustration.
The app is glitching again.
Get off my parcels! Too late, I'm dancing now!
Ride-sharing collapses as drivers and passengers lose precise navigation, leaving cities paralyzed. Financial systems struggle as ATMs fail without accurate satellite time and data, interrupting banking operations badly.
This is ridiculous!
Without satellite synchronization, international banking transactions halt, creating financial uncertainty worldwide.
The screens are stuck. Transactions aren't going through.
Disaster!
Satellite television experiences failures, leaving millions without broadcast. Viewers across cities are left confused and frustrated. One viewer, watching a movie, reacts in anger. Global communication networks stall, sparking confusion and misinformation online, revealing society's heavy dependence on satellite signals. Satellite-dependent monitoring falters, leaving stations blank. Meteorologists check sensors, but key data is gone. Without this, storm predictions fail, risking communities critical for global weather safety. Without satellite surveillance, hurricanes and storms go untracked, increasing dangers to coastal regions and maritime navigation, highlighting a severe vulnerability in Earth's early warning systems. Satellite silence creates cascading failures globally, affecting transportation, commerce, media, and emergency services.
I am here for you. If you want to follow coming videos, then please subscribe.
Satellite signals are fading. Systems are going dark. Confirmed. Global coverage is down to 40%.
It's not just us. Reports from Europe and Asia are dropping.
This is a full-scale compromise. We are blind.
Tracking lines are vanishing. Systems are failing.
Satellites are silent. We're blind.
Reroute all power to the backup response from the birds.
Rerouting.
Keep trying. We have to restore detection.
Satellites are going silent. Possible deliberate. This is a crisis. Our systems are affected. We need answers. Could be an attack. Emergency meeting now. We must coordinate globally. This just in, a global satellite failure is affecting communications worldwide.
Officials are working to restore service. We'll bring you updates. No way! The whole network is down?
The satellites are present, but all signals are silent. Silent? No interference, no blocking them. We need to find the source. Running diagnostics. This could be a major discovery. Satellites remain physically intact but unresponsive, as if deliberately deactivated, creating a mysterious scenario that confounds scientists. Look at these patterns. They're erratic.
Could be solar interference.
Or something unknown. We need to decode this. Intensify the analysis. The world is watching. Solar storms could explain satellite interference, as intense electromagnetic activity affects orbiting systems, prompting scientists to analyze correlations between space weather and current global disruptions. Global technology falters as satellite silence impacts multiple infrastructures simultaneously, including power grids, communication networks, and transportation. As satellite-dependent power systems fail, urban areas experience sudden blackouts, causing panic and confusion.
Monitors are failing! Get the backups online now! Copy that, I'm on it. Manual vitals for the patients. Doctor, is everything okay? What's happening? We're on backup power. You're safe, just stay calm.
Air travel halts as navigation and landing systems fail, requiring manual procedures and delaying flights globally.
Lights are out. Manual approach. Copy. Grounding now. My flight's delayed. What's happening?
Maritime trade suffers delays as GPS and automated systems fail.
What's happening? The cranes aren't moving!
I can't take this anymore.
Supply chains falter without satellite-supported logistics, causing shortages, panic buying, and unrest.
That's mine! I saw it first! No, it's mine! Back off!
Civil authorities struggle as public unrest grows, triggered by blackouts and communication failures.
This is an emergency broadcast. Modern networks are down. Use battery-powered radios for updates. Stay tuned. This outage is from satellite silence. Traditional radio is vital. Stay calm and listen.
Mom, Dad, I'm scared of the dark.
It's all right. We have candles until the power comes back.
Stay close. We'll be fine together.
Blow one out if you want. Satellite link is down. Data's incomplete.
This is critical! We need a fix now!
Rerouting to backup servers might work. Do it. Monitor for anomalies.
On it. Checking logs.
The world faces unprecedented darkness as half the planet experiences blackouts, illustrating the catastrophic consequences of satellite failure on global infrastructure and human civilization. The team traces mysterious signals from space, indicating an unusual origin behind the global satellite failure. These patterns suggest advanced technology. We must pinpoint the source immediately. Look at these spikes, they're completely irregular.
This isn't natural. The pattern is too structured.
Artificially generated, this changes everything.
We need to alert the global teams.
Investigators locate the source of interference, orbiting near Earth, revealing a previously undetected object, marking a breakthrough in understanding the worldwide satellite communication crisis rapidly unfolding.
The unknown object radiates energy disrupting satellite systems, demonstrating its powerful influence and suggesting a highly advanced or possibly extraterrestrial origin behind the global technological blackout.
If you want to uncover the full shocking truth about this mysterious space object and its impact, subscribe now and follow every critical update.
The anomaly is approaching Earth. Capabilities unknown.
Initial scans suggest non-natural origins.
We must assess if it's a weapon.
Agreed.
Prepare defensive protocols.
And investigate its origins.
A specialized space mission launches to approach the mysterious object, aiming to collect data, uncover its structure, and understand how it disrupts satellite systems globally.
The spacecraft approaches the object cautiously, its signals intensifying, creating suspense as scientists on board anticipate uncovering the anomaly's origin and potential threats to Earth's technology.
The instruments are going wild! Energy waves from the object! Systems are failing! Shields down to 40%! The interference is escalating! We have to report this! This could have global consequences!
Finally, the object reveals its structure with glowing symbols, suggesting intelligence or advanced design, leaving the crew shocked and humanity on the brink of extraordinary discovery. Sensors are active, recording every detail. Surface reflections are shifting. It's not natural. Could it be human, alien, or something more advanced? Symbols and internal movements suggest intelligent design, possibly controlled remotely, indicating the object's origin is deliberate, complex, and capable of manipulating satellites across global orbits simultaneously.
Data confirms the anomaly's sophistication.
It's too complex for known tech.
Extraterrestrial? The implications are global. We need consensus. Monitor all channels. And silent.
The object begins restoring satellite functionality, revealing a controlled and intentional experiment or message, offering hope while leaving Earth's population stunned and questioning the universe's mysteries. The mystery resolves as satellites resume operation, revealing a controlled intervention. Humanity, amazed and cautious, is inspired to explore space responsibly.